Welcome back to a course on calculus and its applications. The next topic that we are going to see is shifting of functions. Okay, shifting of functions. What does it exactly mean? It means a function may be represented as a graph that we have seen already. Suppose, excuse me for the bad drawing. Okay, suppose we have a function of something of this short. Okay, this may represent a function. Just a minute. Yeah, this may represent a function. Okay, the same line may be moved to upwards, moved downwards, or moved left, moved right. Okay, these things may be done. For example, if we have okay, the movement, let me draw in another color. Okay, the same function may be moved upwards or it may be moved downwards. Okay, it may be moved exactly from the same from here. It might have started, moved left, moved right. These kind of things is possible. How are we going to do that? That is what we are going to see now. Okay, so in order to shift a function vertically in the sense it may be upward or downward, what you have to do is that you have to take f of x plus k. If f of x is your given function, if you add a positive quantity to it, it will move upward. If you add a negative quantity to it, it will move downward. So this is for vertical shifting. Okay, in order to make the horizontal shift, what we have to do is that we have to add this constant to the independent variable x. So in this case it will move horizontal, so it will perform horizontal shifting. Okay, let us go to the graphing and see what happens over there. Okay, let us consider the function f of x as x squared. Okay, now what am I going to do is that I am going to shift 2 units upwards. So this purple is the original graph and you may see that it is moved 2 units upwards. Okay, exactly the same thing you have. Okay, now I am going to move this downwards by 3 units, the green one that you can see, right? So the blue one is the original function. I have shifted it vertically downwards by 3 units. Now what I am going to do is that I am going to shift it left by 2 units, so that you may see. Okay, the purple one is the original one and the blue is the shifted one. Now we are going to shift 5 units right, the red one that you can see. Okay, so the next concept that we are going to see is compressing and stretching. Okay, let me consider the function under root x. Now I am going to multiply a quantity which is bigger than 1 to this, which means let me multiply 3f. Here you may see I have stretched my graph, right? So the same quantity, what I am doing is that taking the reciprocal and multiplying it. What have I done? I have actually compressed it. So here the stretching and the compression took vertically, right? Now let me do the same thing, f of 3x. Here actually what is happening is that it is compressing and stretching horizontally. Okay, so f of 1 upon 3 times of x. Here what does it take place? Here this is stretching and this is compressing. When you multiply a quantity which is bigger than 1 to the function, it is stretching the graph, and when you divide that quantity, it is compressing the graph. Whereas here the reverse is happening. Okay, you may, if you want, you may try with the different functions. Okay, that I think I can leave this as an exercise to you people to check whether you are able to do it or not. So let us end this lecture. Thank you.